Ka Ministry of Commerce and Industry Government of India minta kasngi ka arpho khandai triguleber ar hajar arpho ar klapen long ya ka jing kendo lang kinong de kinong thiet ikimarep kabala tip kum ka International Buyer Seller Meet blapen long ha State Convention Center Shillong haringkat ka jing don lang u Dr. Vijay Kumar DIES Commissioner and Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Jaka Sarkar Meghalaya. Hakani kasngi lawan ya shimbenta de kinong rep bat kinong khayi yikimar ba pher jonki na kelleng ka perthai.
If you say, for example, ginger, we have very huge volume. Ginger, our production today is about 60,000 metric tons. At some point, it used to be higher, so a decade ago, but because of various reasons, the production is going down. So ginger is one crop where we have a very high volume. But if you take turmeric we have about 10,000 metric tons of Lakadong turmeric. I'm sure everybody here, the single biggest USP for Meghalaya's horticulture today is Lakadong turmeric, which is the best turmeric in the world, which has a curcumin content of ranging from 7 to 10%, whereas the average turmeric that is grown in the plains, etc., has a curcumin of 1 to 2%.
We have ICDs here, so this will give boost to the processing of bananas. Our compatriot organizations like Spices Board, NHB, SFHC would have their own schemes for promotion of product from Meghalaya. Some of them, these stalls are there in the adjoining hall. You can see actually what is the product, what is the horticulture product available in these halls.